Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to use um, a normal keyboard. That means not iPad or iMac keyboard, and a normal keyboard, and how to copy and paste items. Okay, you can see here. This is my Protonix chiclet keyboard, Bluetooth foldable keyboard. Okay, and here is the text. So I'm going to copy the text. Normal copy we are using in Windows. We are using Shift key, then those keys. Okay, so we are trying that Shift key, those keys, and it is working. So whenever we try with Ctrl C, this is not work because Apple does not support that Ctrl key. So we are just press once again. You can see here Ctrl C, and we are testing that, and we are use paste for Ctrl V, and you can see here nothing is happening. So how to fix that? It is very simple. We can simply select by using Shift key and these keys. Okay, then always use for Win key for instead of Control key. Okay, use Win key instead of Control. So Win plus C, you can see here Win key plus C, we are copy, then we are pasting items with Win plus V. You can see here Win plus V. So it is working. So in a normal keyboard, that means a Windows keyboard, use command key as a Win key, and Control key is not in that case. So always use Win key for selecting, copying, pasting items. Here you can see here I'm selecting window key plus A. It is select all of the text. Okay, so that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.